take a trip to Maryland. It is Tiffanys content, and we are at the beautiful Inner Harbor, home of the Science Center, beautiful top-of-the-line observatory and planetarium. We are looking at the weather for tomorrow, Saturday, October 14th, with a 62 degrees, raining all day, flash flood warnings, and definitely want to check your local listings for those flash flood warnings because it is not safe when you have those warnings. I want to take you to the beautiful Pikesville, Maryland, the best place to live in the county of Baltimore. They have beautiful neighborhoods and very well manicured lawns. Saturday it's going to be 58 degrees with flash flood warnings, so check your local listings. 80% chance of raining and definitely humid. It will be a wet day tomorrow, Saturday, October 14th. And we are taking you through the beautiful town of Pikesville, home to the National Aquarium and the Maryland Zoo. It is just a beautiful place that anyone would love to call home with great neighborhoods. Now let's take you through the action for tomorrow. You're going to see that low pressure in North Carolina that's coming up, and then that bad weather over in the Midwest that's coming over, and definitely going to have flash flood warnings in Baltimore tomorrow. So this is why I am definitely putting focus on that. Of course, Pennsylvania, Virginia, Delmarva Peninsula, and even New Jersey in there. So everyone who's on the East Coast near the Mid-Atlantic, check your local listings. It is Tiffanys content. Like, share, subscribe.